Well, listen, Horst, while we got people checking in and things like that and letting us know where they are, maybe you could just tell us a little bit about, tell the viewers a little bit about your background and really your journey and what brought you to where you are today. That's always interesting for us to find that out about people.
Yeah, many years ago, I did my PhD in e-commerce. And so an important topic for me was also payments. And I was a little bit familiar with the work of David Chaum, DigiCash and WideEye, B-Money and those kind of things. So the first time I heard about Bitcoin was most likely around 2010 or something like that. But honestly, I did not get it. The only thing I saw that finally they solved the problem of transferring value peer-to-peer. And I thought for me, it doesn't make much of a difference. Maybe I can save 1 or more percentage points and that's basically it. But I didn't see the big picture. And the big picture was, for example, now we have a system that allows for financial inclusion, and we have basically 2 billion people more in the world that could make use of financial services. So it took me a couple of years, and at around 2015, I decided to look at the blockchain topic again, and then I figured out how many opportunities there are actually. And 3 years later, 2 years later, 2017, 2018, there was a blockchain winter where many people were saying there's no use for blockchain at all. But now we have seen that blockchain withstood the test of time, and we have so many interesting use cases. I'm really happy today to talk with you about some of those and how blockchain could evolve into the future.
Yeah, that's really interesting because I like the fact that you came from industry and you were trying to understand the best application of that technology at the time. And you researched it, you understood it, and you tried to bring it into your world to be able to create efficiencies. And, as technology advances, we all need to continue to do that. So I think that's what makes this conversation, so interesting. Yeah.